Nairobi.
Jatend migao mar arita Kithure Kindiki olanda yanga ni odiochieng' ma kiny ma en tich adek dhi bedo odiochieng' yweyo ka oganda ma jo Kenya riwore kanyakla mar dhialo nyasi mar Idul Fitr gi joyie mag din Islam. Ma endi timore ka jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nobago romo gi oganda ma jo Islam mar ringo odiochieng' iftar e kar jot mare ma en boma ma Nairobi ka endi odhiambo manyoro. Ruto ne oyango ni e bwo dweche 16 kende jo Kenya maromo milion 7 oseyudo kony e chenro mar Hustler Fund. Komedo ni riwo chenro mar omenda no mondo odonjre kod mar Sharia law biro neno ni nitiere kony e riwruok mar omenda e pachoka endi. Komedo ni gibiro loko lai mag omenda mag sirikal mondo odonjre kod chike mag din mar Islam.
Prayers are so important, and whatever you can do also as diplomats from the Muslim faith, please put your best foot forward so that we can have peace in all these regions and conflict can come to an end and we can live and get our children to school.
For the first time in the last 1.5 years, ndio usalama wa Kenya umedumishwa na njia sawasawa. Hakuna robbery with violence, hakuna burglary, hakuna terrorism. Sasa kila mtu afanye biashara na biashara ziendelee kupanuka kwa sababu ya hali nzuri ya usalama.
Kwa maneno ya ndugu zetu wa Nubi, ni kweli they have not been gazetted as a community in Kenya, lakini at the moment hata wakienda kuchukua ID they are already identified as a community with the national IDs. But I think it is good to complete that process and gazetted formally. Vile the financial product has been packaged, not many Muslims can participate. It is the first time I am receiving that request, and I want to guarantee that I will process that request. Ili Hustler Fund pia iwe na Sharia compliant component.